Welcome to Nikit Engineers cutting-edge Flexi hose welder, offering advanced welding technology with a remarkable rotary capability and versatile pattern weave welding. It ensures precise alignment for circular profiles. The robust fixture bed accommodating up to 50 kilograms and closed cage cable management ensure efficiency. The high-precision gearbox and dual motion control with 8-axis drive provide unparalleled accuracy. Safety features include analog communication-based stepper systems and component presence monitoring. The Nikit Teach UI allows 10 programs, expandable to 250, and an optionally add module enables online monitoring. Benefit from play/pause for program analysis and an auto fixture positioning system for easy vertical adjustments up to 250 mm. Experience. Enhanced functionality with a play/pause feature and an auto component fixture positioning system. Built with AL6164 aluminum for heat dissipation and low holding torque, it offers optional features like in-built purging and swift mode. Torch retraction. In conclusion, Nikit Engineers Flexi Hose Welder is the top choice for connector tube welding that delivers innovation, precision and efficiency. Choose Nikit Engineers for your welding needs. Subscribe and hit the bell icon today for most such insightful videos on welding automation.